Baby, you way I want to.
Hit me.
Oh yeah. Inkebonoe. T-H-E-L. Ola, ola, kashikebononi.
Me dream ya. Me pay bibi ma me kunu di ya. Straight to bed.
Aware.
See na dey.
Bi ade de sa na.
Nye de sa. Who are we there? You don't know it. Hey, yeah, try and send one say yes, you are married.
Yeah, babe. Me so kasa.
Baby.
Hello, babe. Oh, sorry. You could do lunch for restaurant there, Junction. You see me sorry. Me ref me name so bad time. Yeah, I'm coming right now, okay? Right now, like I'm coming right now. We're even on our way. Okay, alright, bye. Love you. Baby girl, I need to go right now.
Okay. When no now for phone am just say who come from to who die
Oh, still on the day. Maybe no come so bad time.
Baby, hold on. Ni kuna frɛ o ja ho akona anyanya bia ne family no.
Hey,
oba wari fo kuna frɛ no onu huntina ana onu ngina hwanye dey.
na see who na.
Hey, ma be kwa no tu babe ko aduane.
Hey, mo ko aduane ma. Mama wari atom papa. Ese matom mo tete awari nti motom right am abema.
sir.
Zed man me nyo.
Don't worry, be that. It's not okay.
Don't
worry, be that. Kaja okay, kanka.
Stage ma we dey me nye.
Onye.
Odo, ko ye aduane ma
Babe, call me when you're done.
Okay.
Madam,
Adio.
so we see wani. Be ma de obenya bia, ono be like. Bypass obenya bia ode kawa be hye wonsa.
Ubo ndua.
So wa brem.
Ada ubo miduana.
So see ya wari ya slaves amam mema. Wo wugina we wontimi nye slave nti awari pa de obenya bi. No wa brem ma say ya o. 20 years say me dey me pe bank manager na say wo benya 50 di otu struggle kra.
Ama jana am dem no case. E dey enta wa de won invite me. Bisa no. Ama e dey entipa na ama da bi oni me wasem. Oba. Ama oni me wasem. Onim say e me cast me ba no huhum nti hu nya say obeka cha mfese ka
ma men cast some ncho. On say me bridal maids ni nyina no. Omo share lease. Lease ne so 10,000 minim se minya wonya scan to agya kwa.
Babes, it looks like this one tastes different from the other one.
Just because this one has a little bit of
You know, I don't like that one.
I said a little bit, it's not that much.
Alright, no problem. I'll take it for you. Send it to you. Anyway,
So, the last, what about the reason you talk about the last one?
you're really smart. Or you've forgotten about it?
We are talking about money here.
I know, right? Yeah, but the man is well, anyway, so they were talking about some $50K as the contract, and this going to be like that's not number.
You should answer maybe it might be your business.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. I didn't get it. Please use this. No. Can you please give me a little bit of description? It be you? Hey, Charlie, I see you too. Where you go there? Hey, say Nipa ira. Everybody. Where you dey now? Where you dey? Oh, really? What happened? This is very sad. But I like you be cool guy. You be cool guy. You know. No, sir, that's not. No, you need to come home. You need to come home. Oh yeah, I have a very big house here. You need to come home. Oh, there's a big house, like 6 bedrooms. There's nobody here. I'm here with my wife. No, this one I don't even need to. Nah. Alright, sure. You're coming. So when? Okay, sure. I'm waiting for you. Hey. This is very sad, but then I'll go wed you. My guy. Hey. Alright, sure. Alright. Okay. I'll be home. Alright. Take care. Babe.
What is that? Hey, I'm not talk like, what is that? Come home already.
Yes. We are somebody. My guy, I was with him for like so many years. We grew up together. We're in the same hood, and then he said there's this disaster that came in his area, and then they caught some 10 guys, and he was part of it. He was in UK.
So I don't think it has anything to do with him coming here.
I know. But I told you he's an old friend. We grew up together.
So you want that friend, that your friend to stay here with us?
Babes, please do this for me.
You should know that your friend has been no. Listen, you don't even know what he did. You Obana Bema.
I'm sorry, Benah. Benah, you are safe.
Babes,
you are very safe. I trust him. He's a very good person. I'm even shocked he was part of the arrested people. Exactly what he has done.
Babe, what are you doing?
We discussed this thing earlier today. I'm going to take my friend.
You are going to bring your friend to this house with you. I think we talk about it now.
Babes, please understand me, babes.
Listen, we talked about it.
I know we did, but then understand me. He needs us. He needs me especially.
I don't know the person. You can't just bring any criminal into my house.
Are you not a Christian?
Baby, just tell me what is Christian?
Okay, fine. Let's not do this in a religious way. I'm begging you. Let me just go and bring him peace. He might not even stay with us. We might get him a different room. You'll be fine. Don't worry. I told you I trust him. Come on, baby.
You trust him, but I don't trust him. I don't even know the person you are talking to.
You trust me, right? And do you think I'm going to do anything to hurt you? Ever since we discussed this, you've changed totally. Please, don't let anything come between us. You know I love you. Come on, see, you're looking very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. All right, so let me call you when I get back. Okay. What should I get you on the way?
Anything right now.
All right, sure. Take care of yourself, okay? All right.
Should I open the gate for you?
I was you do that, no.
Okay, alright. Take care.
I was you. As we did the car, and I did talk about something. I know the bar.
Why?
So you say, what's up? What happened?
It's a long story, bro. I'm gonna tell you everything later on.
But then your color count. Hey, Charlie, I miss you, bro. Swear.
Glass and Kwan.
Charlie Rice and Uncle. Baby.
And place it for you.
Wow. I love you so much. So I'm sorry, Black. Yeah, Charlie. So this is Black. My friend I was talking to you about that he had an issue in UK and then so sad. So Black, that's my wife.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so let's.
Oh, sure, we can go inside. Charlie Black.
Alright.
Make her carry your bag. Oh, Charlie, I don't do work. Like I for carry the bag.
Oh, should be fine. Nice girl, yeah.
Charlie, the way I breath for this girl in top, I did talk this girl no go agree. How we they do one for JHS no?
Way back.
How we they do one? You the Kylie?
Yeah.
So make we talk about that one.
What?
You've been calling me. You know we have a visitor.
Baby, please let your friend go. I don't like him in this house. Can't you see? I don't like him. Me Benah, let him go. He looks like a criminal. Why you talk now? Why are you staring at me?
The problem is, we've already discussed this thing. And I told you, he's a very good person. And besides, he's not going to even sleep in our place. We're going to get him a different room. The room are there. Stairs.
Listen,
down the stairs.
See me.
Hey, already. I feel my chewa sister will be happy. My tina my sister will be happy. Opa me my young one dear. I show kawa high for people. Me no munu di bedinti. Na me say Hajia, ma me ntia me na achi. Isian say ya wale nkwa de ede bewo. Enkola no edaachi. Ye nkokora bom. Yi di na me pe o. Hajia na metu kwan na ne ma akoye basa. Wa fe chiri awale. Ene be mate. Na sida so nkanya me say Benah na Warren, or you me uncle brother.
You see, I don't like him.
Ever since I make an assembly children, I saw one person be Benah assembly.
Listen, me Benah, I just don't like him. Baby, what? Like, let me be, baby, what?
And the uncle will go see that bed.
Just understand. Just let him go. I don't like him in my house.
You've even served us, so the food is even on the dining table.
Masa, me name so no, but only na call bank. I'm find the name Embeka.
Okay, please.
Baby, just stop this. Just let him go. That's all. Me person me no benya kasa in front of a stranger. That's why I called you. So won't make you up your mind and then call me.
Babe, please listen, please. Babe.
Mo frabram yonko brebo. Ana wasan ko fa no. Ne se bradi nim di ntia odi mba afia. We are bibi nsikwa o. You are bibi nsikwa. Na me tiasi pa so ba me mayo ho ade. Na me na wakasa se me ko pe bibia ba me adi ne ne ma nkui. Na ba bia ko wie pa ni amenti ase o. Menti ase da. Se me ja Hajia pa. Ama posi. Ana sen kanya me ni ho. Menti ase da.
Can you believe, sir? Black are bad. Black is in the country.
Huh?
Black is in the country.
Black.
How?
When?
In any 3 days. You will feel my baby said. Kokofana down for bill said they are by. It's okay. Kokofana down for the buyer black. Black. I never knew say black tiase.
Black.
Hey. Black.
Hey, no.
And I won't country. And I mean country. I was confused. Like meaning the minions is here. Like I just don't know what to do. And black is in my house right now as I'm talking to you.
Are you serious? Hajia, no. I said no. Say where one of your tricks now. Just keep it.
Baby, forget about
like, no, meaning no.
Shy, baby, black. Me be the man. I me who black and me who no.
going to do now?
I just don't know what to do right now.
We're in a big deal. So black now in the over. And so over far away. And you're big deal. No.
Hey, Benny.
Oh, Mammy, come on, crying.
Talk sense, guy. No, at times so behave. When there's a so much children.
Some may catch any. Oh, boy, I cannot wait. You know what? Not to say, oh, one of Kakanka, wait me fear. No, walk away. Wait, soon you know what I say. But okay, now, who better?
Benny, what kind of loose talk is that? Obi go through stress. We'll catch her as a friend. Someone good advice. Look at the shit you are telling her.
Now we're stress. That same way stress. It's simple. Mature way. But we simple. Mature and you are very simple. I'm there. We're so stress.
Babe, don't listen to her. No, Fanny said no.
To me, I can still be with black. Just
see me.
My friend, my friend, the crown.
What did see me? Relax. Send a beer soon. She need be done. Just tell them the truth.
Tell who?
From me, no.
I don't want to lose my boyfriend. No. So black that quite fine, but my boyfriend no.
Oh, she my black in Swako. Obe
now that's a black or what did that?
Oh,
black is already gone. Black is doing my
door.
I don't know what I go do. It go make it like me.
I'm going to review. But I come back on
Yaw Moole. What's up? Now there, but Onumunsu. What's it?
Me a voting guy. I'm voting guy. Say voting. I saw the one say me there. I'm voting guy.
Wow. This be so nice. Yeah, they stay here for class 4. You know easy, bro.
Master. You love my dressing.
Black.
Hey, master. Now going.
You dey me throw any bone.
Bone cry crow. I can say.
Charlie, eti uni be black. Ti dey make we are. See if you all over there say na we. I don't know this sir. Black with the man one a bit discipline am o.
Hey. Display. One display. Obey spray me. Spray me or spray me. Sure na.
Tuni me be black in Yonko bre bopa.
Onyon kupa.
Medium very tight. You get me? You be very, very close.
Yeah.
Easy as you come this house, me then you they stay very clean.
Yeah, I know.
Be DBA me there.
With the mommy.
The DBA person.
I can't back on your mommy.
The body.
I mean a girlfriend.
Yeah, say
Master.
Now my muna na kon ho DBA na one.
Master, any a long story. Any a part 2.
Last time I me cry ba hanu say.
Master, any a part 2. Yanka part 1 be me.
With the material no asem be balita.
No, I will so no bets now. Or bets was.
Point black.
No.
Who did see no? Now she you can't say what the papa.
Benny die concert no near case me ade.
I mean,
I don't make to say jai na am wow. I'm wow body jai na mfa.
Ah, come in and me.
Babe, see me in see no. What see no asem kese na beba.
So what should I do right now?
Just sit them down.
Sit down. My catch boyfriend so on my black and go and only baby then or kasan some baby just say a big cry. I just don't get the whole thing.
Or you're not down for best friends. Hey, oh man, what's out? And some senior about 3. Or when na fear honum na we pia not sure we go. Say black do who's on independent. One man what no so on being the cat here.
See my cousin so once it told me no down in here. Me say what once it told me no down. O boyfriend odo. And why well so no obe wan you. When na she bedroom can ko me nya there. E say black na won me nka in the presence of one munyina can ko na chen.
What say? How am I going to start a
you know how to say this and tell him.
From a foot no. Won't me nka. Also want me here so be here. You see how black for catch a boy na. E be issue. What else? See then na catch on. Ubu we kaka na ubu kaka. Show uku ni won akosho.
Me kuna
obo black.
I don't have any interest in black anymore. Me pay black.
What's stressing the more?
What's stressing the more? Me boy na man if stress ni.
Right.
So if you were to be in my position right now, it will be boha no aboha.
Obey.
May point some of the catch.
Obey.
Better musu ade we me
Obey. Don't listen to her. Obey. Why?
We a big deal.
I don't wait for them for na.
See, black in the uncle brother power boy me so many ways. Me na ni me ya.
Master Jema beti it you.
What I no be coffee.
Master wouldn't me that die.
And Juni me. Said them no tea na. Sanya any bet na ofia am say. Said them no tea na. Sana yin bet na. Just say nyoma bebre na da e sonko won ni me no tem. Ono de me na e say mi afo.
Obeta fie bi.
Oba betina.
Ono beta fie bi.
Obetina fie am say.
Hey, say me duane no me so beti o. Master.
Etunya de wo ya. Etuni bi. For dog ebu ahomwase e ma no se de o de ma me na ni di. What you say ofrewa. Bibi am catch say me fry dey.
Ndo me camera.
Thank you. Ono so fry dey.
Ndo me camera.
That's one. Onya ho ho so a e ya hu nipa ni mu no. Ani mi din come answer no dey. Papa anti black. Yaw Moole.
Hello. Menya dankani me nungri me so. Shall say? Hello, it is I.
I'm good and you.
What's it?
I'm good and you.
I'm fine. You. Welcome to the master home. Please, I know you come to sit down here because we like you. We don't want to take my food. Oba me be an identity so why?
Na de bia odi dia o me yana.
Asa me dia nsem de me mfa ni agro. Enti me fa na ne de.
Aduane de ma kan no e wana di.
Masa ne fa na ne de.
Aduane de ma kan wana di last.
Megmu no asa megmu no ya ho aba.
De mate. Enti isi ade me kan say the bona de ma me. Fasaye de. E ma no. Enti unim. You rat on him about. Tell last week I'm the man and
no.
Yeah. Black.
Yeah.
See there for Chelsea Shamina.
Ah, Masa, why black?
Black.
What's the soup for
Oh my brother, Dave. What is going on? Dave, so that be what you can see for house now.
No. My brother, you know try. Yes. I can tell you the truth as my G. You understand? You don't even try. You're not supposed to carry that guy. You're a married man. You understand? That can bring a confusion every blessed day.
Dave, I understand what they talk about. Like 100%. But that my guy, he helped me some years back. Charlie Gary with the chopper. This boy, the way he be hardworking, he dey send me coins from outside. He send me money.
I understand. I understand everything, but you're not supposed to carry that guy. You're not supposed to take him into your house. It will cause a lot of problem. I know why I'm saying this. You understand? Because of tomorrow. Yeah. I have observed all those things and all these things. That's why I observe it. I've seen many. I've seen all of the cause. That's why I'm telling you all this.
Dave, you have a point. But try and be in my shoes. If you have a friend who has helped you before, and now see, right now where he come need your help. Right now they need your help. Then they send you money on.
Hajia, what is going on? Am I dreaming or what?
What is this?
Hajia, opa me mawalo a meja wo to kwan no.
Hey, point of correction. How are you home? I know by your car wash.
Hajia, we were married before I left.
We were?
Yes.
That was where? That was then. Me patch up, please.
Hajia, ne matu kwan na bi nti wonte me nka. Wonya kukuduo ma bema fufran so aye ho ade.
Baby I want phone ni ho.
Hajia. Chi ni ti na so pam.
Me what ba me fie ba be shouting on me.
I am not shouting on you, but no kwa na me ka no.
Oh, no kwa there ho. Me pa you are in my matrimonial home. You have no right to ever raise your voice on me. Me patrol pan. What problem? Keep your problem because it's my worry. Me person me.
Ja saksem lo kaso.
I said bang, uba my worry. How many years na kwa show no? Like me person ade.
Aja me minja wo. Ana wo fa me san so mre me.
Oh, and say they say be able so. The answer was not.
Aja me dunya me kama no na ma hu akwantuom. So nim na mo jijimi a.
Hey.
Aja wo hum ye o. Wo hum ye. Okay, we back. Na me last time basa bi untimi sisan ye no. Enya ma me nko sa amudi nim.
I don't understand you, but what you're supposed to do is this. You know, right now you want to help him, right?
Yes, I want.
You're supposed to find another apartment for him. You understand? To touch with. Not to come and stay with you.
My guy, I don't understand. You
see, let me tell you something. I'm telling you exactly
I understand,
the truth. Because one day you may go out and come in.
Dave.
What you will see?
Dave, Dave, you can't curse me. Dave, you can't curse me.
Not that I'm cursing you, but it's what I have already observed.
Money deal. Dave, right now, money deal. What do they want? We are not going to do give you. The same thing I go do give my guy.
That is what I'm exactly explaining for you. Right now, money day. Find another apartment for him.
Okay, you like it? They come, sir.
Oh, Charlie.
Black. Yeah, they come. Relax. Okay. Charlie, what could do then? You Bob. I understand. You are not saying you there. So your work for town whatsoever.
If you are okay with it, I don't have any option.
Dave.
Yeah, I continue saying it because I know how it is. Maybe one day you will go out and come in. What we see in your house, you won't believe it, and it will happen.
Dave,
yes.
Dave.
I'm telling you, I'm a traveler. I have traveled many places.
Dave, I know. Hey, Charlie, Dave, why you come make fresh you? Dave, you come. See the
no, it's not easy. Johnny is not easy.
So where you go?
I just want to get some certain things over there. You know?
Where you left your car? You be like today, you can place the car.
Yeah. My driver is over there.
Okay. Charlie, make we just hurry. You be like your driver said. You wait.
Me wo busu ani.
Ajia, you extra careful. Me you know because you nyai.
Me pacho so na okasa, me pese okasa na obembe so I don't like that.
Hey.
I'm a married woman now. Me pacho pan.
Ajia. But so okasa me you court. Ama me say ring and can asana me call.
And so
yes. And I call to one so am na na say uni upate no tu kwan a I just for me yes. Asana what me die no.
Why are you shouting?
I'm not shouting.
So why are you?
But they have in America no. Uni pa boni say what year? What I confirm me madam for.
Oh call ye no. Na oni mu enchi.
Mimi ni mechi angama saba.
Oh just stop it.
Mimi mechi
my boyfriend is please me pass.
Me madam for no wasa kwa fa no.
Wadanfo.
Aja me do nyame. Say en kokot. Ye me sani default people dey chese me jawo.
Pacho me lawyer gusu ye me dey no ho.
Wo lawyer gusu ye ho sa. Wo lawyer egusu ye wo dey no ho djuma. Ye nya mini say ye nya ye gusu ye ho djuma. Mini say ye nya ye no okọ fa be ma bofo. Aja.
If you don't know, let me tell you. This other na me who fi ha no. Na me contacting lawyer. So nya papers ni ready. So yeah, the papers name bro, and make sure say one be in question. Yeah, sorry for my words, but when na one year because I'm happily married.
Sana wakasema.
Yes.
Aja, me so me ni unya nti me so me yire no.
Oga Barnabas.
My brother.
Bro, Charlie, once again you're welcome to my humble house.
Thank you.
Black.
Bro.
Easy out.
Yeah.
This guy has been very good to me too.
Oh, okay.
Charlie,
bro, nice to meet you. I'm Blacky.
Oh, I was so Barnabas.
Is he in color?
Black.
Charlie, so okay. This be my guy. Then I talk to you about years back. Say me then my guy he helped me some time ago. Okay. I don't get anything.
Yeah.
Like this.
This be the guy.
Guy. Is it I tell you see my you go like him?
Yeah. Nice
Black.
Guy.
Yo, bro.
Charlie, so then I tell him about your story that
okay.
You to be very good person. So,
okay.
So if you see him we are not there, you go free talk to him. Sometimes you go come in the house, you go figure he be visitor, but he be part of us. Right now we will be family.
Okay.
So that be black. So if you see him.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
Oga Barnabas. Yeah, Oga.
But today they make happy. They don't know say this thing go happen like this. A time go come where we all go sit like one family.
That is all part of life.
So Oga, I no go cut your mouth, but then how far you married?
Well, I'm never yet married, you know, but it's in the process.
What are you waiting for? With all the money?
Oh, it's the process, you know. It's not easy. It's not easy. The marriage is not something that you can just sleep and wake up. You say you are married or you want to get married. It's a planned thing before, you know.
So like what are you still waiting for? As a grown man like you're not married.
Oh no. Apart from grown man, you know, before you're married, you have to put things in order. You understand me?
Sense.
Yes. You can't just wake up and you know you say you want to marry. You have to.
Are you in a relationship?
Well, yes.
We like it.
For how many years?
Oh, just it's not too long like that. Now it's just like 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
You dating someone's daughter in Ghana here?
1 year.
You don't want to get married to her?
Oh, stop it.
Hey, what is wrong with you?
Wait.
Well, that is not it. That is not it.
No, the TBC, Black Step.
Na kwaba.
Yeah, me dey. No corner.
On fire from so see e dey ni.
Me oba worry for you. So me show you. So minim so on so worry am so be an dey. E me kuno ma me mpie kura bra merenge nsha.
Oh, me dey say me no say some like something. Me am just so be sana out of from me.
Oh, why Fedi?
That's not so sad.
Thank you.
How about you, ma?
That we am fashion.
Eh, what do you listen? This say bo why be mama na.
Now we say we okay nya ne first na ma menje me hu na me ba me.
I said don't listen empo.
In so craft to book.
Oh wow. Ama. Akwaba. Yeah. Why I say?
Oh, me pa cho pushika kwa why? Pushika kwa wa ba tse me no wo na ti den na bimbe.
Yeah, not why you change me.
Oh, me pesa ade no.
Hey, oh, macho, oh, how much you?
Okay.
Oh, you're okay. Tiwani, the casa. Oh, you're okay. Okay. And then my young and I'm come back.
Ah, black. Black.
I am.
Say baby,
And you may have to. Why? Hey. And send them to see me. I know I'm having me. Two them maybe I'm sure, but sweet at the base.
Oh, sweet at no one. Bright drink cup.
What the fuck? Ah, black. How come?
They miss you one.
Ah, they also want to say. Chama say.
I say my have you. Apa na me chira wa say.
Black pedofia.
They say ene net.
One no wine.
Ye ne no net.
Ene wine.
Ene me kunu.
Like how? Sainting na what do ex-husband? I bet na ukunu fi. Are you crazy?
Me. Na me de me ye den. Ah, me fa ne bet na fi a me didi. Eh, sisi. Me kunu na kufa na ba. Se ne besi. Na danfo. Ama makame no musem nyinala. Sisi ene na sifia.
Ukunu se ne den.
Na danfo. Me dem ba me born the seven na
Oh my god. Ah, what bet na fi how long be?
Ah, sister, a month. African name say echo. Na ma face la me hu no. Me sister Manda for 2 good weeks. Na de me fam no.
E na ukunu so say.
Ukunu say, ai, na danfo. And now I baby na.
No, there.
So there is a lot of
calm down. Onim say your ex-husband.
Sister, onimo. Na e na mbom pa se when away. No, who did
I know what's wrong.
What should I do?
You don't love your husband.
Hey, sister, some men are okay.
Hey, what do Benah? And now what's the one to see me any pabonini? And that see me calm down. Me any pabonini na me yada for bonny. Nasa see so kuno menene kasa. No ma fafuni msajia. Or Benah no one in it any ex-husband. I would off lesser than or Benah found. Or Becca's only me ye BBC. And I won't more than money. Into what one who's saying, what's a waka choke long time. So Benah na mesro. Na ma worry dada Benah we na yemi kunu na se obeboa na ompesika bi ma no no kwa behind dan by se wetimi ma wadnada for bet na ni fie anada for ne so ya wo ex husband na what ho
Mama listen once I make kunu or a little bit quick temper I don't know how to talk to him for him to understand because he's my ex-husband, so I don't want him to stay in the house with us. So
you will love it to say we be hunu edi concern.
No, what should I do right
You have to tell him the truth. To say grandpa 1 month, what that sort of 1 month. And what's that there Saturday na when any damn paso don't suffer and it's one pedi and papa be I'm an eddy. No what can assume there? What's now who's up to now? I'm fat.
I seen a down phone to me, Jenny. Say I want to. We have a lot of problems.
Na down for no nim. On nim say or your husband. Can't you get that?
I'm a patrol campus. I'm
patrol me, Jamo. Because she's in a hurry,
Maybe I'm a mentor. Why, Mr. Wadarum, Patrol? Why?
1 minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Ama, Mr. Wa hwehwe boy enim. Na hwe kwan a agya de me faso ntiye. Or why imagine in your presence no say we sit here me. Ama, usunu say agya your ba ma ware no. Ma yefidie akokot. Ma sisan kranta wa ban mu. Na me tu kwan ba in the name of better future. Ibaya agya no aware. Akwantu ma na so da you because na miniska me to kwan. Alone na me kwaji de be ye wo ho ade. Na wa wo de adwen ba ye force me a se me ntu kwan. Na me ntu kwan ye be bo.
Kwaji loan hey emboso da. Kwaji loan be ye ho ade.
Adia. O de
Chairman
me wa nim ho na me ni me ba sese wa ni so. Chairman wa. Enya se bia wo ti na abufu wa. Me ba se.
Amase wo hu. Se wa wo hu biu. Sisi ampa oba ya na toso mprenu. Upia machi ko se mi ntu kwa nyina sa na wonim dia wo ye. Na wonim dia wo ye me koye me ba ya agi aware. Kese me koye na anye yie.
Black. Ewo musa de agi aye na wanya de but me so ka ho bi. Se me sen pa ho se obetimi atu kwan. Be 3-4 years. No bante wonka. One friend, so wakwenya broni bia ware no agye pepe seden obi anim agye ai broken heart wafam no eni so a wabesu enye yizi
Amade o kana me so fa ba be meti wase na hwe hu se ba bia me ko no ohonye me kromu ena ho menim obi a ho
nti honye wo kroma nti wunya fo na mfre no ana akwaye kwache
ama ya chime me kwaye kwa na babia na medim ti beto kwa na menyae na menya adwuma papa bia enti construction work no bi chem so yenko na yenko ye adwuma ibi ye kwa kohwe adwuma na first day ma ye adwuma kama mde na je ba fie all of a sudden I saw people running me hu ase ya chem say ade ya blacks bia ko bokro no
into second phone
ene ya de me fry ama mawra hu se me nyina ni o na oba ma ware o wo fie wo ga na me krom na me ba mu kwa ne mani da so a me ba ma hwe agia me hu no na me yonku posi fa me de ma ba fie a agia ni me
hey
Hajia no wale me yonku brebo ne neti.
Hajia fiefo de. Eti namfo bebrebe bui wenye obi amfa na damfo se be ma ware no no say your best friend. Ya semon se wiase swapa.
Ene nkasa na me. Ama ene nkasa. Kasa na me kana sa na mani bi se me sugu me mu medi ya opa. Hajia so yo ba me do no. Menye madwe se me jana ma ba bia. Tu me sere wada roma. Me di susu ene nkasa ma. Ona wo kan wotie. Sisi dia wona wo ye teacher.
Black on baby. Me asem we me bete no abo me pisa. Ntu de meso me kwa akoda. Nsusu nye e ma adwene. Me saba. Na me nimu nye no nyina atena se. Nye hu baby adi ye beto. Why? O de ma me time na. Just asem no me ba be hu nyina my confused. Why?
Amamati. Chuchu de me show ni mwachi umwayo. Why? But Hajia is an adrian party. Hajia is an adrian. Kaish. The BCB.
If you where I want to hit me. Oh yeah. In Cabonoe. In Cabonoe. T-H-E-L. Ola, ola, kashi Cabononi. And I swear the first time when I saw you, you just did bust my brain, no. Ola, ola, kashi Cabononi. You know, so I think.
Hey, Kafrat, my mother. I'm so black, Nina, any need free that.
You know. Oh. So. I'm printing. And I am quite. What? Hajia then young quote.
My person no casafa black. So boy. I don't pam.
Oh, me pamo all black.
See.
Me too.
Nipano. Anya she one nuts na kakra.
Okay.
Nti wo say at least all the respect kakra. Man.
I don't see me respecting.
The way crampa me many money na kasa no. Anya.
Ama, I'm getting enough of him. Like you know, mean to me.
But Anya she waboa wo pen. We know. The way nas na okoba. Okoba chacha wo dua se ba na so okwan fa ne ba. Na so into one third ani am we.
Sister, stop. So we know the animal di.
And no was sacrifice for you.
Me so wasting my time on home.
Ain't see.
Oh, sister.
I want to share something called love. It's no matter what love means, no. I was so man a little respect. Miss Cheryl, the way I see Fanny Kasa hash. Is like you are more treating him.
Ama, I'm so no more treating. Me person unfi me fie. Me ni tracabia.
You are.
Me.
Let me be so.
Then asem.
Black open.
Me the near day.
I into a docker crap.
Oh, sister, Jasam, Jai question now with some men. Me the near day.
Hey. I ain't see yes, baby bar. Black no what's na ye. What ba? Oh, Patchem said you don't have any little feelings for him.
Ama, listen. And you say like, okay, let me put it in this way. I like him, but oja me hono sanka menshia posi ama nka ba gusuka ho ne me akasa. Esa na meti ama tina ya ofe. Posi aboa me papa. Na me yin ni boni aye. Hey. Sister. Aha,
into say ni se me men sifa no kan wo dem honom na. Me pacho any person kasa. Na on hind diamond black, na on free wo so enko. It's as simple as like that. Because all kasa wo jeje black enim so atena fie ha sei. Na se dachi bi, ukunu find day out Madam. Ye beja we wi akite.
No,
be in your husband's shoes. So we are worried. Now be one now husband head sababit ne fie be ofe. So what's a crampa a yensen be bring to me sraw. Enu ukunu enkasa.
Okay,
are you okay? Aku. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
No waiting I go do it. If you way I want to hit me. Oh yeah. In Cabonoe. T-H-E-L. Ola, ola, kashi Cabononi.
Hey, hello. Hey, me wo fia too.
Yeah, you buy now, you buy now new.
My friend Dave, emergency be, so I have to quickly check up on him because no there one boys deals here. Now also
me call wife. I'm who na me so.
No wa fa fie there.
My friend am.
And then
yeah, nice man.
Me top na ye we on.
The top na efe.
But that's it. So what do you say? It's kind of banana.
I said bibi da ha so
Eko. Thank you. When he met me.
Bema be said.
Most of them say coming too much.
Me the second one nine.
Is that me
or for baby and so dreaming.
Me
I tell you so me
Charlie, Miss Shaw.
Then I will visit.
My wife knows how you see. I was there. They are saying about.
Well,
I'm sorry, man. Me a cook it, me sorry. Yeah, it's an American now. Only point for yes, sir. Once me a wife for my wife knows how you see her at the assembly. But to the home, ya hello, hi na.
And I'm the drone same. Obi well for my garden cacao. I won't.
It is another day, my wife.
Oh, so wife, what? Me will be catch or cry.
The Matisse is in our bed and be kind of be near. I'm not sure why.
Hey, now the stars are out.
Girls, like she said, I don't even know what to do right now. Can you believe say black so big catch and make know what's going on?
Black?
Yes. Like I just don't know what to do right now. That's why I called you yesterday night. And so what were you doing?
And I was afraid.
Me not my dream. Like
no. Oba catch you
say on me I worry. Na my fanichi.
Oh no, I worry no wa fanichi. Now them or church you move chill. Like your or na anyi no buy no adi can catch you
me it's not so crying and have a conversation. It was I think and run. But no like no or you did you.
Wow.
Like you know and you say me kuna dance.
Yeah, tia some week. Worry about boy.
Mpese me kunu bed say nti na me frem o
eno anu mpese wo kun bet only so oba wo nso ne be ma neto nti only ne nkasa say still no person no wontina say mo be ya be ma no
na say
na okoka che okun ore be bo ma me nkasa ma me ntu akra no beni ti sa wontu mindful onfa me futu wontu mindful Hajia now it's na ada na on months na say because asemba ye dia no na ka yes can dey dwem on months na mon kasa mon put things out or no na obi ma wo dynam now radi omo your best friends so answer wo bem mema modern fire yi pound solid do asemo ado ano be ka e be sell baby dear sister okay only me person me raise the idea Ada na mama yansu ensam for black. Ni ogope baby. Ni na nkasa. What I say? Any your best idea. Yeah, all their friend. So person like man segna so person ni share. Enu kwa best end. E best idea. Obeka so wa beton na mai. Black mu be fu. Ni mu be fu say. Ada no black woni mu ye. Anaso ohun ye say strangers. Yenye strangers, but on say bibi one more person here. So on one is person. Adia black person why you no person.
Well, married to like you know.
So what? Don't go for mukun.
People are so I'm not ready to come.
We crown your house. Obi crown in the house boy crashing kuna. When your house boy, obi are not nada. Adia say me so on black nka. Asam kuto ama na asam. Na mukasa na.
Baby, only black. Okasana you did big. Okay. So Okasana only na TV. I was even scared.
You want me to call him?
Say, I'll phone one.
I'll be friend. Yes, I'll be friend. Man, in solving that, as a wing, as a more fun. And I'm solving as men are made from me. What kind of friend I need? Me, with foot to foot to what's the problem with that? As I'll be friend with Finipana. What's our question? Okay. What if say what decided say? I will move me in. like or the batch community na ebia boys ntu the two guys na won say na ekoso na da kwone black show na sane husband me pie so e dey no obeye and so photo be na no photo why
me pan cho say oni me ka wa bo me ho
Black. Yeah, what's it?
A guy. Why? And they talk to you every day. What do they want to be and will give you? Why they stand here? They think about what do they think about at all?
I am even thinking of how I am disturbing your privacy and do stuff, wasting your money, bro. You've been keeping me for like. For some months now.
It's anything over Jina Hanoma or Jenny Giddy. I make Casabia or buy your man at the buy maybe Swanta, Dena and Sam Pabua. What he did there, you know, go fit take some. Everything at the own, it be your own. Me, I tell you. You go fit bring your visitors. What did they take? And my wife, they prepare everything, give you too.
Bro, I do understand what you are saying. But
they will be. My guy, they will be. Huh? I mean, yes, I'm trying to hug me. I mean, yes, I do. You didn't make her think too much. If you didn't think, me too, I did think. See, right? You don't want work. If you don't know how, overseas, me quite Juma, would be a channel.
Well,
I bet my palm boys in I'm a dead.
I say, nowadays, you know, Momogana, no name moiety. It is some tools now to my media no pavia new Milano. Oh, in Ukokrum, one dear found to be breme. I don't know, I am a how be no. What's a Momo Hana never more thing? Oh, and I just went
only tea. Uname, yes, Miss Minimopa. Say, we are quite hardworking crossing. By Bibina a day. Abba, Bibina cinema, Senior Mayesa. But me come more plans be bread in my word. Last time come on and midi. Shop ya send me from away, doom hodi. If your own, just 9% surprise, but I say Ubej now do it my catch up. What? Young boy, Konami, their wife, you fool. Now, what general favorite food now? I favorite food now.
Yo, bro.
Hey, Black.
You do down one. My trouble trying to come out. My shadow was at you.
Nothing I need to come as what time.
If I saw come home. Oh no, who said we are having a private time, so also come.
Peeps.
What am I, Mamma?
Boss, a black panel. That's how we Nancy
Moose. Baby, I'm a good. I can only say 3 in 1. Me one, me member 3. Oh,
baby.
Oh, oh, fine. Like stop. Oh, fine. Nice who?
You're disgracing me.
Where are you going?
You're disgracing me. Stop this. This is unbearable. Nah, feel free. That's my home. My home is your home too, you know, right? Babe. Babes.
Yeah, possible.
What they said you are looking for you, bro. Charlie. I said that wife, though, we are not them wife in it. Charlie,
but me answer the last time I'm in Dinko, you say. Me and Casameti have a hammock to the stand say, or you didn't pour out there, so baby, I just say, when you me. Because where they said, can I be?
And Matthias, about him. Ma, me and Cassandra, you're surprising me. I'm really shocked, honestly. I'm really shocked, and it's a disgrace to me because we're a big man to say me, where ya Bobra, what you say? No, Babbitt's my madam for say, oh, man, India. Oh, very disrespectful. But only Nina Pussy sound or so a problem be with Ace Cassam. Was a man is Cassam there, or usual only last now comes into a DB man. Oh, wait, and the money to no day, so like, I know if you sort time, it can affect you. What I say? Me actually make my mind say this weekend because me man was trying mommy. Na ya 1 or 2 good.
Oh, that be say what planning that so cost na mommy. And for you human
any problem.
Yeah.
So anya wo dey nti dey but say you okay with the make.
Yeah, me okay.
Challenge na me down no because what tem say what I say. I can say my wife no so be there e better me dey make na say. Because
why we dey nya dey why?
Any enforce one.
Me didn't come be on so bad. Yeah, me didn't come be.
Black.
Me ba sure sis ya, don't worry.
But so you okay there?
Me okay.
You okay there? I'm so me okay. Black. Charlie jade mame meeting na me na dey over to so no. Because me summarize it.
Okay. So them me is
what here?
We jam from Accra.
Now we have drink beer.
Oh me okay.
What's up? You see that my guy Black.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Of late it be like in reaction for the house no they make sense to me. Like morning I go see say he dey think. Evening he dey think. Afternoon self he dey shock me. After eating he still dey think. So me I dey think of setting up a business for him. What do you think?
Okay, by thinking, have you asked him why worried about or something like that?
So the problem is I keep asking him, but then he's always telling me he's trying to think about something for himself. But the problem is I think because he came out from the prisons and then he bought some few clothes and stuff, I think he has locked somewhere. But then what do you think if I give him a business of his own?
My brother, listen to me. As a friend, as a good brother, I'm continue saying this. And me, myself, I know why I'm telling you all this. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Better thing for you to do, find apartment for him.
An apartment?
Yes.
You're still saying the same thing?
That is what I still saying. And I will continue saying that.
My guy, I told you this guy is a very good person. He's helped me before. But let's talk about the business aspect and forget about him moving from the house. And I told you this won't work. Just understand me.
My brother, the situation now is not about the business. It's about you renting apartment for him. That is all.
So what about the business aspect?
After that, you can open any business for him. This is a good idea.
So you want him to sit there and think that I'm seeking a third advice, or I'm talking to a friend of mine and then he's giving me the advice for me to sack him from the house.
Okay, let me tell you exactly the truth, my brother. I don't want you to be in pains. Yes.
With all the money I have,
I don't want you to be in pains.
You know I'm always happy.
I know say you are
always
happy.
On my side too, so why are you doing this now?
That's why I'm advising you. Let that your happiness don't lead you to the fact. I don't want you to be bad, to feel bad.